Hello everyone, so in today's video, my julep unboxing. So I'm doing several pre-recorded videos this week, as you've probably noticed, and I look the same in all of them, so don't mind that. I just got finished unboxing my BOXYCHARM video, and I put a lot of the items in a giveaway for you guys, so if you want to check that out, I'll go ahead and link that down below. The past couple weeks I was out of town. This last week was just insane, so it's been crazy. So before I get started, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. If you guys want to see what I got in my julep box, then just keep watching. Okay, so I subscribed to Julep. I did a 3-month subscription, so it came out to $19.99 per box. If you don't have like a 3-month or annual subscription with them, I believe it's $24.99. And Julep is their own brand. They have their own products, they have their own nail polish, makeup items, skincare items, all that fun stuff. So when I first signed up, I actually got 12 nail polishes for free. I'll go ahead and link that down below. I thought that was super fun. That was just another little incentive for me to sign up. So let's go ahead and get on into the box. So the inside of it says, if you can put it on you, you can pull it off. I actually really like that. That's nice. So here is the card. It says light luster on the front. The one thing that they don't do is they don't list the prices of your items on here, so you have to look them up online. I'll go ahead and put them up on the screen for each one. I'll also list them down below. The other cool thing about Julep is that you can actually personalize your box. So I believe around the 20th of each month, you can go online to their website. They'll already have curated a box for you, but you can actually swap the items out. So I picked out all the items that I wanted, so I know exactly what's in here. The first item that I'm pulling out, this is the Julep Lock Down Your Brows Iconic Brow Gel. I don't have a whole lot of brow gel, so when I saw this, I was kind of excited to try it. So it just has a little spoolie on the end like that. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but put it through my brows here. It's just a clear brow gel. I mean, it made my brow hairs stand up the way that I wanted them to, so far so good. The next item I got, this is the Julep So Plush Ultra Hydrating Lip Gloss. I've been super into lip glosses recently, it's just like a trend that's going on. I personally like it. I like lip glosses, so when I saw this one, I thought this was super cute. I chose the color All the Feels, and I thought this was just a really pretty nude lip gloss. So I'm gonna do a little swatch. It does have that same weird kind of doe-foot applicator that the matte liquid lipstick has. It's like an hourglass kind of a shape, which is really interesting, but it almost looks like the top is flat. So I don't know what that's about. It smells really good, like candy, so that is a plus as well. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this color is really, really pretty. It's just like a really nice peachy nude, which I like. I'm gonna pop a little bit of it on. I like that. Whoa. I feel like that just made my lips look super shiny. I like that. Okay. Well, I am happy about this. I feel like it just made my lips look super, super glossy and pretty. It smells delicious. I really like the finish to it. It does have like little sparkles in it, but honestly, when you put it on the lip, you can't really tell. It just is nice. It's just like a perfect peachy nude. So I'm super happy about this. I think the packaging as well is really, really pretty. It feels really expensive. I don't know, luxurious, I guess. So I am really happy with this. And the last thing I got, I thought I would just try it out. This is the Charcoal Konjac Sponge Exfoliating Konjac Root. It's a detoxifying bamboo charcoal powder. Basically, you wet the sponge and massage it in circular motions. It can be used with or without a cleanser. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out excess water. Hang to dry, do not wring. It says use it morning and night. Replace every 1 to 2 months. If sponge gets hard or dry, rehydrate it before using it. And it does say that the sponge will arrive damp, so it is wet. I am just going to open this up. So here it is. It's all slimy, but it's just this little sponge. It doesn't feel rough or anything. It feels really nice. You can put it with a cleanser, rub it all over your face, do a little exfoliating action and cleansing at the same time. So we'll see how I like this. So that was everything in my box. What did you guys think? Every single month you only get the 3 items. So how do you think that it compares to the other boxes out there? To BOXYCHARM, Glossy Box, you know, things like that, where it's basically the same price. Well, this one, if you're just doing the month to month, it's even more expensive than the BOXYCHARM and you're getting less products. So the thing is I actually enjoy the products that I get from them, but I just don't know how I feel about doing the subscription with them. I can always go online to their website and purchase their products, but I don't know. I mean, obviously this way I'm getting the products cheaper than I would if I just went out and bought them. So it's a bit of a toss-up for me. I'm not sure exactly how I feel about it quite yet, but I definitely want to know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.